Hi, my name is Mitch, and today we're in the BILT Immersive app on Apple Vision Pro. I'm joined by my colleague Gina. Hi, Gina.
Hey there, Mitch.
Gina is in Dallas. I'm actually in Seattle, and so this is working across states. I can phone her in. As you can see, right now we're looking at an engine, and we're currently on step 2. Now, Gina could have some questions about this model. We're able to interact together, so I can grab and move the engine. Gina can see me manipulating that. I can make it larger, move it around if we want to look in the end of this. So, we could be here and we could be looking into it. And so we're able to both walk around the model and do whatever we need to with it. Yeah, I can see Gina looking down that engine right now. And, we can bring this up and we can bring it over us. We can be asking about stuff on the bottom. So we're able to stand here and collaborate. It's the ultimate collaboration tool. And Gina can also manipulate this model. So she can grab it. I can see her grabbing it and moving it down. And so, I see the model down here now. So, and this, all of these instructions are available in BILT. This is one demo, but there's so many awesome things we can do in collaboration with each other on these models.